I'm not another guru who is going to tell you how to live, what to do, how to break the matrix, how to make millions, and all this nonsense. But what I can teach you from my own experience is how to never give up and always use pain to level up. Because I've been through all. I've been through every fucking pain you can imagine. I experienced betrayals, heartbreaks, financial collapse, broken bones, broken heart, broken fucking mind, broken dreams. And guess what? I'm literally now just staring on the sea, like I'm on my balcony with this beautiful sea view, and I can't even absorb it. Like it's crazy how things can turn around. Few months ago, actually a few weeks ago, I was just sitting in a room, fucking dark room, with very limited space and resources, and I would just keep praying and keep going. I never break my discipline, and this is what it takes if you ever struggle and you want to change trajectory of your life. You just have to keep going. You just have to accept your reality and use this pain and this struggle as your biggest fucking source of energy. This is the hack. This is what I've always used. Every failure, every fucking pain I experience, I turn into unlimited source of energy. And this is why I'm fucking sitting here today on this beautiful studio, sea view, like just came from the beach. I feel amazing. I just ate some organic fruit and life is just so great. Like I'm so grateful to God for these moments. But it took in 20 years to understand what is life about, and how you have to what you have to do to actually find this peace, so I'm sure that many of you there are struggling. I'm over 40, and I'm sure that many people out there now, we are in this era that I think you might feel like you're stuck, like you don't know, because we grew up in completely different life, different world, and this new world, it's just, you might feel like a little bit lost. Everything what you've been told, you discover it was all fucking lie. From health to how to make money and how to live. And now you probably super confused, and you feel like you don't belong anywhere, and you just want to fucking disappear. This is how I felt. But you know what? That was the best decisions. That was the best feeling ever, because when I went to solitude and complete silence, I got 99% of people, including like family members. I start finding answers of everything, whatever happened to me and why it happened. And you know what? I completely transformed my mindset, my life. I stopped drinking alcohol. I stopped giving energy to anyone. I stopped chasing success, money, women, everything. I put all all the energy just to me. And all of a sudden, from like nowhere, I'm just fucking sitting here looking on my laptop here. I'm not going to discover what I'm doing, how I'm making money, but I'm just, it's crazy. It is crazy. So this message is not about flexing and about beach lifestyle. This is more about if you want to change trajectory of your life, you have to go through this phase of complete silence, and this is where you're gonna find all your answers, and you will also find true purpose of life. And also what I found true authentic myself. Like, I'm not living in a lie anymore.